So I'm sitting here on the road, heading back. I was out making a couple videos. The last one that I just made had to do with nighttime riding, and on the way back, I couldn't help but think about how attractive the dash is for the Victory Cross Country. It is a masterpiece. If you look at the instrument cluster, the design, the symmetry of how that looks with the blue lighting, that is not overly intrusive, does not take your night vision away with the orange and red highlights. That is something to celebrate. So as well as the chrome polished rims to the speedometer, the tach, and those are just fantastic looking. So if you can think of anything that has a more attractive dash than a Victory Cross Country, I want to know about it. So comment down below what bike has a more attractive instrument cluster and front facade to the fairing than the Victory Cross Country, and we'll see if we can find a better one. But kudos to Victory, because this thing looks good.